This is Extraction Probe 7. I have successfully touched down on Anomaly 44b. It is a rogue mass drifting in the dark sector, completely unattached to any star system. My initial scans indicated a barren world made entirely of hyperdense carbon-based rock. Surface temperature is absolute zero. Atmosphere is non-existent. I deployed the primary thermal drills an hour ago to begin resource extraction. However, the telemetry I am receiving from the drill head does not match any known geological model. The crust is not cracking, it is tearing. At a depth of 400 meters, the drill encountered a thick, pressurized layer of unidentified hot liquid. It is highly viscous. The chemical breakdown contains heavy metals, but the molecular structure is organic. The planet is bleeding. I immediately halted the thermal drill, but the vibration has triggered a cascading seismic reaction across the entire hemisphere. The ground beneath my landing struts is moving. It is not an earthquake. It is a slow, rhythmic expansion and contraction. Heavy, strained breathing, intense realization. I am running a full deep-core sonar pulse. Pause. The results are impossible. There is no mantle. There is no molten core. The entire mass of this world, 10 times the size of Earth, is wrapped around a colossal central nervous system. This is not a rogue planet. It is an apex predator, a biological entity of incomprehensible scale, drifting in a deep state of cosmic hibernation. The carbon rock is just its outer shell, accumulated over billions of years in the dark void. And my thermal drill has just breached its flesh. The seismic rhythmic motion is accelerating. It is a heartbeat. Pause. The massive canyons and fault lines running across the northern hemisphere are beginning to split open. They are not tectonic plates, they are eyelids. Frantic, absolute terror. I am detecting a massive surge of thermal energy from the core. The entity is waking up. Pause. The fault line directly in front of my camera feed has opened. I am staring into a perfectly glowing, bioluminescent blue iris the size of a continent. It is looking directly at me. Resigned, warning Earth. I am aborting the extraction, but my thrusters are failing. The gravity of the entity is intentionally holding me down. Pause. It is transmitting a bioacoustic frequency. It isn't just an animal. It is highly intelligent, and it is hungry. Fading. Final warning. Do not send a rescue fleet. Do not broadcast any rescue signals. Shut down the deep space network. If you make a sound, it will find you. The ground is opening. I am going in the dark.